Okay, hi students, good morning. Now the continuation, today is the last session for indefinite integration. Previous JEE question 2020. Yesterday we have discussed 2019 questions. Now today we are going discussing 2020 questions. While solving, dear students, once again I am telling, while solving the previous JEE questions with cool mind has to solve, and the concept, by using concept you solve the question thoroughly. Okay, don't think about the time factor, don't think about the short way, it's not correct. If there is any shortcut, you apply. If there is no shortcut, then go for concept method only. Okay, for JEE most of the question they will ask by using concept method only. Okay, very rare means concept logic questions, concept techniques they will ask, not by memory based shortcuts they never ask. That's why CET is different and JEE is different. Okay, now 2020 question online. Integration of sine inverse root of x by 1 plus x dx equal to a of x into tan inverse of root x plus b of x plus c, where c is a constant of integration. Then order pair a of x comma b of x equal to option A, x plus 1 comma minus root x, option B, x plus 1 comma root x, option C, x minus 1 minus root x, option D, x minus 1 comma root x. Okay, so let us solve this. This is means inverse trigonometric function. So this is first we have to make it simplest to form this by using substitution method. Are you getting idea what we have to substitute? Is it sin theta? No, tan theta, because 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta, then square get cancelled. So let x is equal to tan square theta, not in dx, only this part. Then what happened? Root of x, this is numerator root x by denominator root of 1 plus x. Root x is tan theta by root of 1 plus x is equal tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta secant square theta sec theta. Okay, sin by cos get cancelled, sin theta. So this is equal to sin theta. So sin inverse of sin theta equal to theta. Theta means tan inverse of root x into dx. This is, here I have not applied this in integration, just separate I have done this. That's why I have not done here differentiation dx equal to tan theta into secant square theta. By that way also you can solve it. Tan inverse of root x dx, how to solve? By parts. This is first function, one is a second function. Use by parts here. Tan inverse of root x, integration of 1 dx, x minus tan inverse root of x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x, root x whole square is x, 1 by root x differentiation 1 by 2 root x, integration of 1 x dx. Okay, so up to this we got it, x into tan inverse of root x. Yes, next minus, this is we have to simplify. Here x by root x means root x by 1 by 2 into 1 plus, this we can write root x whole square or x dx. Understood? Integration of 1 is x here, x by 1 plus x root of 1 by 1 plus x into 1 by 2 root x. Yes. Now root x by 1 plus x integration, how to find? Root x by 1 plus x, this is we got here. Yes. How to find this integration? By substitution. Let x is equal to same, tan square theta minus 1 by 2. This is root x by 1 plus x is equal to root x by, not root of 1 plus x here, root x is equal to tan square theta means tan theta, right? 1 plus x is equal to tan square theta sec theta. Dx is equal to 2 tan theta into sec theta, sec square theta into d theta, 2 tan theta into secant square theta into d theta. 2 get cancelled, sec theta get cancelled, Now minus integration of tan square theta into sec theta. Is it possible to make simplest form here? Here sec theta, here secant theta, sec theta is there, tan theta we can write sin by cos, okay, and 1 by cos here, 1 by cos, okay, cos square theta here, right, tan theta, okay. See, here better you take here x is equal to t square. Let x is equal to t square. Instead of integration, this x is equal to t square is better. Minus 1 by 2, x is equal to t square means t, 1 plus t square, and dx is equal to 2t into dt. Over. The question is, we got here minus 1 by 2, here 2 get cancelled, t square by 1 plus t square. How to solve this is add plus 1 and minus 1. This get cancelled, 1 here, minus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus t square dt. So get the answer here, x into tan inverse of root x minus 1 integration of dt is t, minus plus 1 by 1 plus t square integration of tan inverse of t plus c. This is x into tan inverse of root x minus t is equal to root x plus tan inverse of root x. Finish the question, write together here, x plus 1 tan inverse of root x minus root x plus c. This is equating with this. What is a of x into tan inverse of root x is? A of x is x plus 1. This is a of x. B of x is minus root x. So minus root x. So option A is right. Yes. Here I want to substitute this, but it's take time. Then immediately I dropped it and x equal to t square I substituted. Because integration form we should know. Here we got tan theta, sec theta. That integration again finding it take time. Okay. So instead of that, think other way. Immediately I got the idea. Instead of that, let x is equal to t square. Then we got it. Yes. Next, second one, integration of x by x sin x plus cos x whole square dx. This is option here given because no other direct answer is that I am going to solve here. Okay, just by seeing option also you can identify. First I am giving first option here, A, sec x plus x tan x by x sin x plus cos x, like this form given, A, B, C, D. X sin x plus cos x form here. So that means that form, all options are like that only. Okay, so to get this A, B, C, D form like this, by seeing the option you will get the idea here. So this derivative is there, that means integration of here x square, here numerator here x square, we can write x into x into x square by x into sin x plus cos x whole square, right? Here sec x is there, so here no sec x. Can I multiply like this? Sec x into cos x. Sec x into cos x is 1. So x into x square, and this is, it's correct? Yes. Why have done this? This by parts. This is the first function, this is the second function, because this integration we know. Okay, first x into sec x, integration of this, integration of x cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square. See, what is a d by dx of 1 by x sin x plus cos x equal to formula 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x sin x plus cos x whole square. into x sin x derivative is cos x plus sin x into x derivative is 1, cos x derivative is minus sin x. Get cancelled. See, x cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square. So this derivative is this. Integration of this is this. Minus comes here. Understood? So integration of this is minus x cos x, this derivative is this, integration this is minus 1 by x sin x plus cos x. Are you following? First function integration of this is this one, because derivative of this is and integration of this is minus I have written here, minus whole integration integration of v, and derivative of this x sec x differentiation, x into sec x differentiation, sec x into tan x plus sec x, x derivative is 1, and this derivative is integration is minus 1 by x into sin x plus cos x. Finish the question. This we have to find integration. This we got it here. Minus x sec x by x sin x plus cos x. Minus, in this what is the common here? Sec x. Take common. X tan x means sin x by cos x plus 1. So this comes up x sin x, so plus cos x by cos x into minus 1 by x sin x plus cos x. Now get cancel here. This and this get cancelled. Now sec x by cos x is there. Take up here secant square x integration minus x into sec x by x into sin x plus cos x, secant square x integration minus plus tan x plus c. So option which is correct here, that is A. So A option is wrong. Then C option is correct. Tan x minus D option, tan x minus x into sec x by x sin x plus cos x. D option is right. The D option is tan x minus x sec x by x sin x plus cos x plus c. This is D option is right. Next question, third one. F of x is equal to integration of root x by 1 plus x whole square and dx equal to then f of 3 minus f of 1 equal. Here options are given. Okay, I will dictate options later, or you can solve direct. First find f of x, we'll get this value. Okay, if you want copy, this is time waste actually. Just I am solving, after that I will tell the options. Right, let x is equal to tan square theta. Let x is equal to tan square theta. Then dx is equal to 2 tan theta into secant square theta into d theta. Right? F of x equal to integration of root x means tan theta, dx is equal to 2 tan theta into secant square theta d theta. 1 plus tan square theta, secant square theta, secant power 4 theta. Correct? X is equal to tan square theta, 1 plus tan square, secant square theta, secant square over square theta, secant power 4 theta. 1 of the secant square theta, it is get cancelled. Right? Now 2 tan theta into tan theta. Tell me tan square theta into here secant square theta d theta. 2 into this we can write sin square theta by cos square theta into secant square theta d theta. This is equal to 1 2 sin square theta. How to find 2 sin square integration? 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Is get cancelled. 1 integration dt d theta cos 2 theta integration sin 2 theta by 2 plus c. So theta is equal to tan inverse of root x minus 1 by 2 sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta formula 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now 2 tan theta is equal root x. 2 root x by 1 plus tan square theta x. Got the answer plus c over. Now f of 3 minus f of 1 we should find. This is the f of x. So put x is equal to f of x it is. Now f of 3 minus f of 1. Put x is equal to 3 here. Tan inverse of root 3 minus root x is equal to 3 root 3 by 1 plus root 3. Okay, this is minus f of 1. Put x is equal to 1 here. Tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4 and 1 by 1 plus 1 means 1 by 2. Here tan inverse of root 3 is pi by 3. So substitute here pi by 3 minus pi by 4, 60 minus 45, 15. Okay, and minus root 3 by 1 plus, simplify. That is the answer. Root 3 by 4 will get here. Here 1 by 2 will get. This is the pi by 12. Understood? Pi by 3 minus pi by 4 is pi by 12 and minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 and minus root 3 by 4. By rationalization you will get root 3 by 4. That is the answer. Next question is integration of cos theta d theta by 5 plus 7 sin theta minus 2 cos square theta equals d theta equals a into log of b of theta plus c. Then what is the value of b of theta by a value they asked. B of theta by a value. Integration of cos theta d theta by 5 plus 7 sin theta minus 2 cos square theta we can write 1 minus sin square theta. Then minus 2 plus 2 sin square theta. Okay, integration of cos theta d theta by 2 sin square theta plus 7 sin theta 5 minus 2 plus 3. Right, it is a quadratic equation. Let sin theta equal t. So easy question, just it take time, that's much. Sin theta equal to t, cos theta and d theta equal to dt. So dt by 2t square plus 7t plus 3. This is a quadratic equation. Okay, 2t square. Okay, 2 take common here, 1 by 2 integration of dt by t square plus 7 by 2t plus 3 by 2. This is a very easy way, theory you have done many questions. See, t square plus 2a is 1b 7 by 2, correct, 7 by 4. So plus add 7 by 4 minus 7 by 4, right, 7 by 4 whole square, 7 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 2, right. Up to this is a plus b whole square 1 by 2 integration of dt by t plus 7 by 4 whole square. Right. Next 7 by 4 means minus 49 by 16 plus 3 by 2. So LCM 16 minus 49 plus 2 8 is 16, 8 3 is 24, minus 49 plus 24 how much? 16 plus 9 25 minus 25 by 16, that we can write minus 5 by 4 whole square. Now we got the formula. This derivative is here, f dash x by f of x whole square minus a square. Formula 1 by 2 a means 5 by 4 log of x minus a t plus 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4 t plus 7 by 4 plus pi by 4. plus c. Finish the question. Here 4 get cancelled. 1 by 5. 1 by 5 log of t. What is the t? Sin theta. This is the simplify here. So a is equal to 1 by 5. B equal, tell me, equating with this b of t, theta, b of theta. So b of theta equal to, substitute here t means sin theta. Sin theta, okay, 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4, 2 by 4. 7 minus 4, 2. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. Right? T means sin theta. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 by 4 is 3. So sin theta plus 3. This is the answer. It is taken 2 sin theta plus 1 by sin theta plus 3. Okay, this is b of theta, this one by this. So answer will get 2 sin theta plus 1 by 2 into sin theta plus 3 by a is 1 by 5. It comes up 5 into 10. This is next question is integration of cos x dx by sin cube x into 1 plus sin power 6x whole power 2 by 3 equal to f of x into 1 plus sin power 6x whole power 1 by lambda plus c, where c is a constant of integration, then lambda into pi by 3, lambda into f of pi by 3 equal to, this is option A minus 9 by 8, option B 9 by 8, option C 2, option D is minus 2. It's an easy question. Sin cube direct here, cos x dx is there, means which derivative is there? Sin x. Sin x equal t. Finish. Let sin x equal to t. Then cos x dx equal to dt. So integration of dt by sin x is t, t cube into 1 plus t power 6 whole power 2 by 3. This type of form previous class we have discussed. This is called JEE main favor. This is how to solve. This is t power 6 take common, dt by t cube, t power 6 take out, 1 plus 1 by t power 6 plus 1 whole power 2 by 3. Now dt, t cube, t power 6 whole power 2 by 3, 3 to 2, 2 into 2 4, t power 4, t cube into t power 4, t power 7 and 1 by t power 6 plus 1 whole power 2 by 3. This is take up 1 by t power 6 plus 1 whole power minus 2 by 3 into 1 by t power 7 dt. This derivative is here. 1 by t power 6 derivative is minus 6 by t power 7. Minus 6 not there, multiply by minus 6 here. Then f of x whole power n into f dash x dx equal to minus 1 by 6, 1 by t power 6 plus 1 whole power n plus 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1. How much? 1 by 3 by 1 by 3. Get cancelled 2 here. This is the answer. Now convert into x form here. Minus 1 by 2 into 1 by t power 6. T is equal to sin x. Sin power 6x plus 1 whole power 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 2 sin power 6x 1 plus sin power 6x whole power 1 by 3. Equating with this, what is lambda? 3. What is lambda? 3. Now this is right in this form. Okay, sin power 6x whole cube, sin square x here. Take this side here. Minus 1 by 2 sin square x. So this is what? F of x. So this is f of x. So what is our question is lambda into f of pi by 3. Lambda into f of pi by 3 equal lambda is 3, f of pi by 3 minus 1 by 2 sin 60 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4. Right? It's get cancel, 3 take up, 3 get cancel, answer is minus 2. This D option is right. Next one, integration of dx by x plus 4 whole power 8 by 7, x minus 3 whole power 6 by 7. Then what is the value of this? It's important here. A minus of x minus 3 by x plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 7. I will tell later options A, B, C, D. Okay, let me solve first of all. Here this is the big, this is we can write in the form of this. Tell me, x plus 4 whole power 6 by 7 into x plus 4, this is equal to 6 by 7 plus 2 by 7. Can I write like this? 6 plus 2, 8, 8 by 7. Correct? Now here x plus we can write like this, x plus 4, but when you take x plus 4 whole power 6 by 7 here, if you take common here, this is okay. If you take this one, x plus whole power 6 by 7, you can get down. This is integration of dx by x plus 4 whole power 6 by 7, x plus 4 whole power 2 by 7, and x minus 3 whole power 6 by 7. Okay, this is we can write like this here, 8 by 7 minus 2 by 7 also we can write it. This is we can write x minus 3 whole power 8 by 7 minus 2 by 7 also write into x minus 3 whole power minus 2 by 7. This is we can take up. Okay, this is 2 by 7 here, this is right. Now we should take common here, divide by here. This is x plus 4 here, right? X plus 4, if you take common here, this is if you take common here, x plus 4 whole power 6 by 7 and x plus 4 whole power 6 by 7. So this get cancel, integration of this is take up x plus 4 by x minus 3 whole power 6 by 7 into 1 by x plus 4 whole power 2 by 7 dx. Finish the question here. This derivative is this, f of x whole power n into f dash x. This derivative is there are one more here, x plus 4 by 3. Let me verify this u by v. U by v, x plus 4 by x minus 3 is there. Okay, this derivative is there or not, check it. If it derivative is there here, which form it contain? F of x whole power n into f dash x dx. For example, this derivative is not there, then you make it reverse order. What is the reverse order means? X minus 3 by x plus 4 you take it like this. Two options here, or integration one more way. This is 1 by this is x minus 3 by x plus 4 whole power minus 6 by 7 into 1 by x plus 4 2 by 7 dx. Two forms we are getting here. This derivative there here, this is the answer is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 form use it. Okay, this derivative is there here, this is. So this is two ways. So find the differentiation here, d by dx of x plus 4 by x minus 3. Differentiation tell me, x minus 3 whole square, x minus 3, x plus derivative is 1 and x plus 4 into x minus 3 derivative is 1. You will get x get cancel, minus 3 and minus 4 minus 7 by x minus 3 whole square.